In this video, I will guide you on how to allow camera access on Snapchat. First, launch open Snapchat on your device. Now you're going to get this notification if you haven't turned on the camera access, so you can simply tap on the allow option. Then over here, you want to select while using the app. And in this way, you can easily access the allow camera on Snapchat. But if this notification was not shown and you're still not able to access your camera, then you can simply head over to your settings. Then scroll down a bit and tap on apps. From here, select Snapchat. Now tap on permissions. Here you want to select camera. If you have selected don't allow or ask every time, make sure that you select allow only while using the app option. So make sure that you select the allow option. After that, close the settings app, launch open Snapchat, and camera access will be allowed on Snapchat. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.